So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable portraits in photo mode on your iPhone 15. This is a 15 Pro Max, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. Now you might have heard that on the iPhone 15 series, you can actually enable portraits in photo mode so that when you take a normal photo with your iPhone, you can later convert it into a portrait mode photo and adjust the blur in the background. Okay, so that setting you can enable and disable it. So go to settings, just quickly go back all the way on the main settings page, scroll down to camera, tap on that. Under camera, scroll down and you should see portraits in photo mode. Currently it's enabled by default. You can disable that if you don't want it, or enable it if you want it. Okay, so when it's enabled, you can take a normal photo. So for instance, if you check out this photo, this is a normal photo. It's actually a normal live photo, as you can see in the top left corner. If I tap on edit, I should have the portrait button here. If I tap on it, it turns the photo into a portrait mode photo, as you can see. And then now I can adjust the blur in the background, as you can see. Okay. And then when I'm done, I can tap on done. And now you can see it's a proper portrait mode photo with a blurred background. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.